In this section, we'll switch topics and examine the basic electronic components used to create electrical circuits. I've created this table to summarize them, and I'll look at each one in a moment. While there are many different subtypes of each of these components at a high level, all electrical circuits, from the simplest to the most complex, are based on the components you see here. I'll introduce a few important concepts in electronics next. There's no need to go into the details here, as we'll do that gradually later in this course.